done.
Hi, I'm Jeremy from RoloCam, and we're excited to introduce you to the Hercules. The Hercules is the world's smallest motion control camera system and allows anyone to capture stunning cinematic video footage with virtually any camera. Conventional motion control systems create beautiful shots, but they're huge, bulky, expensive, difficult to use. What if there was a way to have a device that captured the same type of footage as those enormous expensive rigs that was small enough and light enough to fit in your pocket and take with you anywhere, just like your smartphone? What if it was easy enough to use that anyone, from a professional photographer or videographer, all the way down to someone whose only experience with photography is their smartphone, could learn to use it easily and intuitively? We took all those what-if questions and answered them with the Hercules. The Hercules easily gets traditional slider moves, curved moves, motorized dolly shots, motion-controlled time lapses, automated panoramas, all in the palm of your hand. The Hercules is incredibly tough. The Hercules is durable. And living up to its name, the Hercules is strong, able to support pretty much any camera out there, from the smallest action cam, smartphone, DSLR, all the way up to a full-size motion picture camera. The Hercules can go from being in your pocket to being assembled, programmed, and shooting within 30 seconds. The Hercules on its own is incredibly versatile and can be used almost anywhere. With the optional rail, you can use it as a traditional slider for elevated shots, or for even more dynamic moves. It's easily programmable with a single button. We wanted the Hercules to be small, and we also wanted to make sure that it wouldn't require some specialized rechargeable battery that would be difficult to find in a pinch. So it runs off of a single AAA battery. The Hercules was designed through the collaboration of electrical engineers, robotics designers, software developers, and filmmakers. The Hercules is manufactured using the highest quality materials and state-of-the-art equipment. The Hercules is not vaporware. This is not something that has yet to be designed or tested or built. It's here today, ready to go.
Hi Kickstarter, I'm William Griffith. I'm going to introduce to you the Maxstone. This little device turns your iPhone into a wireless remote control for virtually any DSLR camera. Canon, Nikon, Pentax, Sony, Olympus, Minolta, and Samsung. You see, I don't have to be behind the camera anymore to control the shutter. The Maxstone allows you to choose from 5 different shutter interval modes, from instant shutter up to 10-second shutter. One of the coolest features of the Maxstone is its ability to take high-quality time lapses. Just set it up on the app, and you're good to go. Beginners to time-lapse photography can find a guide inside the app explaining how to use which settings with all kinds of examples. Maxstone's hidden secret is that it also guards over your precious camera. Excuse me for a second. Most of us have lost a camera before. With Maxstone, you're safe. It warns you when you exceed a certain distance limit from your camera. Maxstone also works the other way around, giving you the option to control the shutter on your iPhone. The Maxstone uses Bluetooth 4.0 and infrared technology to create a connection between one's iPhone and the camera. The inventors of Maxstone are a married couple, Will and Leah. Will makes the technical circuits of the products himself, while his wife Leah adds a feminine touch to the outside design. They came up with something which combined the iPhone's ease of use with the photographic quality of a DSLR camera, the Maxstone. What if you had full control over your DSLR settings, but wireless, from your smartphone? We're introducing the Unleashed. The first smartphone DSLR remote control that you won't even notice is there. We at Fullography are a small team in Germany's capital, Berlin. We're specialized in creating quality hardware refined to the last detail, and have helped many happy customers all around the world get the most out of their DSLRs. Developing the Unleashed, we had one big design goal: its tiny size. You can leave the Unleashed on the camera at all times, even when packing it into your bag. The hot shoe stays free, so you can keep using your external or pop-up flash, LED panels or shotgun mics. It never needs to be charged and automatically reconnects to your smartphone via Bluetooth Low Energy, so you don't need to reconfigure your Wi-Fi settings each time you shoot remotely. It's plug and play and always ready to use. The Unleashed is the first wireless remote that gives you complete control over your DSLR, as if it was still in your hands. You'll experience a professionally designed app that lets you change all the important settings: aperture, shutter speed, ISO, white balance and much more. You won't have to touch the camera to change settings, trigger it, or start and stop video recording. This is vital for vibration-free long exposures, breathtaking star trails, as well as epic time-lapses. The Unleashed even supports carefully controlled exposure ramping for smooth day-to-night transitions, the holy grail of time-lapses. One of the biggest advantages of digital photography is the possibility to instantly see results. This is too cool to miss when shooting remotely, so the Unleashed will send a thumbnail to your smartphone for quick review and checking exposure. The Unleashed can use your smartphone's location or a Bluetooth GPS receiver for direct geotagging. The exact GPS location of where you take the photo is saved in its metadata immediately. Relive your vacation by viewing your photos on a map, or find pictures of your favorite spots by simply zooming in on their location without having to remember exactly when you were there. Almost every photo management software already supports geotagging. There are times when you have to work with more than one camera. Either you're taking photos at a wedding or shooting a video. You could be behind the main camera, but with our app, you can control up to 6 cameras at once. Start recording at the same time, trigger all cameras at the right moment, or synchronize settings beforehand. Don't worry about missing a moment or an angle, even if you're missing a crew.
Hi, my name is Paul Jackson, owner of Four Seasons Films. I'm excited to share my new invention with you today. I call it the Zip Shooter. The Zip Shooter is a professional compact dolly system that's incredibly versatile. Check out this clip of my friend CB as he tries out the Zip Shooter for the very first time. Thanks.
Camblock Adventure is smaller, lighter, and more portable than the original Camblock. And to achieve its small size, all 3 axes are built into a single compact unit that travels along the expandable track system. One of the most innovative features of the Camblock Adventure is its unique tilt mechanism, allowing for a high degree of nodal tilt without having any bulky side support. And Camblock Adventure is controlled by our new wireless iPad app. This intuitive app allows for precise keyframe axis control to create smooth multi-axis movements. Once a shot is started, even if you lose your Wi-Fi connection, your shot will be accurately completed. Camblock has been successful because all of us here are filmmakers. We understand what other filmmakers are looking for, and we are building the tool that we want to shoot with. A fully featured, tough, portable MoCo system for real-time effects and motion time-lapse. So, why are we doing this Kickstarter? Because we need funds to help pay for the completion and manufacturing of the new Camblock Adventure. To bring the new Camblock Adventure to market at a price more in line with the independent filmmaker budget, we need to approach manufacturing differently, using higher volumes, which takes capital. Please consider supporting this Kickstarter. Our goal of $50,000 is the minimum we've calculated we need to bring Camblock Adventure to market this summer. But we optimistically hope to exceed our goal to help development proceed even faster. When you've watched Discovery Channel, Nat Geo, BBC, IMAX Films, and more, you've probably seen Camblock footage and didn't even realize it. Our systems have been the secret weapon behind some amazing award-winning films. But we don't want to be the secret anymore. So please help us, spread the word, and support this Kickstarter. Help the Camblock Adventure become a success.